Hello friends, today we are doing this poem Courage. So let's start with it. Courage is the strength to stand up when it is easier to fall down and lose hold. This means when person chooses to stand up instead of losing hopes, then it's a conviction to explore new horizon when it's easier to believe what we have been told. Now here the person is going to take the pain to explore rather than believing what is being told to him. Further we move. Courage is the desire to maintain our integrity when it's easier to look the other way. Integrity is honesty, okay? So it also requires courage to maintain our honesty when people easily fall down. It is feeling happy and alive and moving forward when it's easier to feel sorry for ourselves and stay. So it again requires courage to go forward, to move on. When a person is going to stay in a condition what he is living and feeling sorry. In another stanza, courage is the will to shape our world when it's easier to let someone else do it for us. Now again it requires a courage. This means that we speak for ourselves the way we wanted our lives. Okay? When it's easier to let someone to develop our lives or to shape our lives. So it needs a courage for the person to speak up for him. Another is it's a recognition that none of us are perfect when it's easier to criticize others and fuss. Here again it is a recognition that you don't easily criticize others but you accept them as they are. So it again requires courage to do so. In other stanza, courage is the power to step forward and lead when it's easier to follow the crowd. The pleas resound. This means here one is going to become a torch bearer. A person having courage becomes a torch bearer when it's easy to follow the crowd, what the other people are doing. It is the spirit that places you on the top of the mountains when it's easier never to leave the ground. Here, the person with high spirits and courage just move on and more on as on top of the mountain. It requires a courage to move forward, to shape up the life rather than following the crowd or what has been told by the others. Now in the last stanza, the foundation of courage is solid. The rock that doesn't roll. This means the foundation, जो नींव होती है courage की, the strength की, वो काफ़ी मजबूत होती है. It doesn't roll easily. आसानी से नहीं बदली जा सकती. Courage is the freedom of a mind, body and soul. This shows in the person having courage or the strength is completely free, feels freedom in his mind, body and soul, is not controlled by other people. He has his own opinion. He wanted to shape his own life. He become honest and he accepts himself and the others as they are. So in this poem we get to know all this, and now we come over to question and answers. Okay, what first question is, when is courage called strength? Again, page 57. When it's easier to fall down and lose hold. This means when it's easier to give up what we were standing for. And then the second one, what does having conviction make you do? Conviction help us to explore new horizon when it's easier to believe what we have been told. Again, it is to believe in oneself. Third, when are we motivated to be honest? What do we not do then? When are we motivated to be honest? When are we motivated? When we have courage, we are motivated to be honest. What do we not do then? We do not give up easily. Okay? Now, another question 4 is, how does courage help us to shape our world? Look here, courage in this stanza, it shape our world when it's easier to let someone else do it for us. This means that We have our own opinions, our own likes and dislikes, our own judgments to shape our world, to shape our lives, rather than easily following somebody else or easily letting somebody else to interfere in our lives. Okay. Now, fifth one is, when do we stop criticizing others around us? Again, when we have a courage, we have a recognition that nobody is perfect, so we accept this thing as they are. Sixth, courage can place us at the top of the mountain. What does the poet mean by this? So, question number 6, courage can place us at the top of mountain. What does the poet mean by this? Poet means when one is strong and firm beliefs take you firmly, and you will never leave ground and will always lead to success. Okay. Now, in another question number B, describe in para of not less than 80 words how does the poet successfully shows by providing various examples that courage is finally the freedom of mind, body and soul. Now again, with the poem we can say that it helps us to maintain honesty in the world where wrong ways to success are easily applied. It shapes our world and we shape it the way we want it to live. Okay, now we come to section C. It is feeling happy and alive and moving forward when it's easier to feel sorry for ourselves and stay. What does it refer to here? Courage. B, what does the poet mean by moving forward? It is to choose our ways to problems. C, what happens when you feel sorry for yourself? We feel lonely, dejected, inferior. What emotion does one experience? Again, it's lonely, dejected, inferior when we feel sorry for ourselves. Our problem doesn't get less, but we feel the same way. Now, the second part is the foundation of courage is solid, the rock that doesn't roll. What does the poet say the foundation of courage is solid? It's firm beliefs. It's belief in ourselves. B, to what is courage compared in these two lines? Firm beliefs where you can judge yourself. Okay. C, what do you understand by the last line? The last line is courage is the freedom of a mind, body and soul. Sorry, it's about the rock that doesn't roll, where people does not control our feelings and actions and our decisions. With this we have completed this chapter. In case if there is any problem, please let me know through comments.